Hey everybody, Matthew here again at Earthworks, and I am standing here with a lovely Limelight Hydrangea. This bad boy can get 4 to 6 feet tall, has lovely flowers, which are not on here now, but I'm sure the person behind the camera is gonna put an image somewhere in here of the flowers. I don't know where she's gonna put it, but it's gonna be somewhere on the screen, and you'll see how lovely and how amazing these flowers are. They have a really distinct look. These plants are in the full sun right now out here because this hydrangea can take a lot more sun than most of our other hydrangeas. However, with that said, if you have a spot where it gets morning sun and afternoon shade, that'd be fantastic. But also, just like other hydrangeas, they can bloom and thrive in less than full sun. So if you have a shady spot, filtered light, underneath trees, so on and so forth, these hydrangeas will love it. Another thing to keep in mind with hydrangeas, they love an acidic pH. Our soil here, generally in Jacksonville, is on the alkaline side. So purchase some soil amendments that will adjust the pH, and these hydrangeas will be much happier. So come check them out. We got plenty of them in stock. And check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and our YouTube channel, which is amazing. We have all kinds of videos on all different topics related to gardening. See you guys next time.